So as part of the action on June 30th, when we're closing down our books or balancing our books, we have to do this, transferring our drawings to our capital account. Now remember that drawings are just kind of the reverse of capital. Capital is money that's been put into the business by the owner or the owner's stake in the business, and drawings are money that the owner's taken out. Now we keep capital and drawings accounts separate because we want to be able to know how much money the owner is drawing from the business. We want a clear picture of that throughout the year. But at the end of the year, we can take drawings and capital and sort of amalgamate them into one account, capital. And that's what we're going to do here. We're going to transfer drawings to capital. So here's our magic. Here's our general ledger account. Now, I'm just going to put in some values here for the full year into our capitals and our drawings. Now, once we've got some values in there, we're going to have to transfer the value of the drawings into the capital, and we're going to do that by putting an entry into a general journal. All right, let's do it. All right, so let's first interpret our general ledger here, and we can see what's happening. Now, remember that a financial year runs from the 1st of July to the 30th of June. So looking at this, on the 1st of the 7th, the capital account had a balance. So on the 1st of July, say 2015, it had a balance of 46,000. Now, no other money was injected by the business owner over the course of that year. The only other thing that happened to the capital account was on the 30th of the 6th, when someone closed down the profit and loss summary and transferred the profit and loss summary account to the capital account. Okay, now over the course of the financial year, the owner must have done two things. Well, among other things, he must have taken $1,500 out on the 5th of September for his own personal use. He also must have taken $500 out on the 9th of April for his own personal use. Now, those drawings, remember, are like negative capital. So the next thing that we do here is transfer this over into our capital account, and we close down our drawings account. So let's go through that so we can see what that looks like. All right, so we've got our general journal here. Now, we're going to transfer the drawings to the capital on the 30th of June, because that's when all of these transfers and closing transactions happen. So the 30th of June. Now, what do we need to do to the drawings account? Now, the drawings account has $2,000, $1,500 plus $500. It has $2,000 in the debit side. So I'm going to have to do the opposite of that to our drawings account. I'm going to have to credit the drawings account. Okay, so I'm doing things backwards here because I want you to see how it works. You'll probably do things the other way here. Now, the drawings account is being credited $2,000. Now, that $2,000 is being transferred from the drawings account to the capital account, which means that I'm debiting that. Okay, sorry about getting in the way there. You can see what's happening there. Now, don't forget to journalize this. And the journal is we can just call it a transfer entry. Now, it never changes. There's going to be some drawings throughout the year, probably. And there's always going to be this transfer thing at the end when we transfer our drawings to our capital. Now that we've done our entry in our general journal, we just need to take that entry now and put it into our general ledger. So post that to our ledger. So this posting, let's use our blue pen here. This posting is happening on the 30th of the 6th. Now, the matching transaction for drawings is capital, $2,000. Now, what this does essentially is turn our drawings account into nothing. $2,000 on the left, $2,000 on the right. The drawings account has a balance of 0. And that's what this whole thing is about, is to get rid of the drawings account. Now, the opposite transaction here, on the 30th of the 6th, the matching account is drawings, $2,000. Now you can see that has an effect of taking our capital account from being 46,000 plus 53,700, having a capital account of that value, but now we have a capital account that's slightly smaller. This plus this minus this, and that'll be our capital account. Alright, so this is a transaction that happens every 30th of June, so get used to it. You look at the capital account, you look at the drawings account, and you say, right, how do I zero the drawings account? You do your entry here, capital and drawings, then you post it back to your ledger, done. Alright.